We're gonna change the receptacle outdoors. As you can see, this is a gfci receptacle, which is safer, and it's required by law to be installed in any external receptacles. So what we do is to take off the cover first, and unscrew the screws on top and bottom, and pull it out. As you can see, this is only a 3-wire, so it's pretty simple to replace. What we're gonna do is get a new one like this from actually from Lowe's or Home Depot. You can get it for $18, and of course we're gonna take the faceplate off. All right, and we're gonna just replace the receptacle, the broken one. How did I know it was broken? It's pretty simple. You can get one of these testers from any Home store, and what you do is to push it in. Okay. Of course, right now the power is disconnected, but you won't see. But when there's power, you're going to see two lights. The two yellow lights are lighting up. That's the correct wiring. But for the gfci receptacles, another step to test it is to press on this black button, so it should trip the receptacle. There shouldn't be any electricity flowing in. When you test it, basically you reset it, and all those lights are gone, which is not in this case because this one is broken. You'll be replaced. So this is very handy. You can get this like $9 from any store. You can, after I got this, I went out and tested all the receptacles in my home. So just for the fun of it. All right. Now this is a new one. As you can see, they're very similar. So this is a very simple case. You just need to just place the wire in the same location. Of course, you need to watch the black and white wires, and also the ground. Okay, just put them all together, and we're gonna stop the video, and that's what we're gonna do next. And you will be, I'll show you the finished product. So what we do now is to put the neutral in, all tighten up. Finally, the grounded wire, which is sometimes it's green, but it's where Oops. That way. Just place that in. Now we just need to push it back. Okay, would you turn the power back on? Okay, and test it. Alright, did you hear that little click? That means the tripping part of that receptacle is working. So now I reset it. Yeah, we have the power going now. Probably you couldn't see it, but there's a little light. The two yellow lights are off. So yeah, you can trip it. Last time the electrician came over, her price to fix this is $167, and now I fixed it myself with my brother-in-law. It cost me $18 for the receptacle. So as you can see, it's a good deal. All right. cool. When you own a rental home, unless you have hundreds of them, or maybe a lot of them, you really want to do most of the things yourself to save money, because contractors are expensive. If you have a lot of houses, okay, you can hire someone on your staff, pretty much do that all for you, because you have that skill, you have that volume. Not the case for me, as I only own one rental property, so I need to watch my cost. Right? Just to make sure, enjoy my work one more time. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. We're done.